viewers first update to enka ase ULB election update ase urban local body election ase aro itu election to ele 39 municipal council la bitor obol ase. This election scheduled to be held on June 26 which will be historic as it will see the implementation of 30% reservation for women in the civic bodies. To Nagaland the first time 33% maiki han ke reservation dia ase. Out of 100 33% to maiki han karne seat rakhina ase urban rural local bodies election day. Aro with the announcement of polling date, the model code of conduct has come into the effect the last month. Itu election model code of conduct to effect last month pura effect hoina ase. Aro itu the state election commission has announced the schedule for the election with the nomination period set from June 7 to 11th and the last date for the withdrawal of candidate on June 18. Banjas kunba candidate kan withdraw kuro mon ase kole June 18 la tok time ase. June 18 la majote apni kan withdraw kuro paribo. And it is open to everyone. Kun bhi participate kurula ase kuribo pare. Aro itu eko special criteria nai. Apni handu Indian citizen thaibo lage, Nagaland na citizen thaibo lage. Itu kan thakile apni han proper document thakile apni handu candidate la conduct kuribo paribo. Aro apni han bhal pura election to khilibo paribo kona. Itu ekta short update first janai dia ase. First second update to enka ase beshi important update ase aro viral ase. To ma social media te itu khulina sechila itu page ekta te beshi viral ase. Hunibo para nishana do N Akavi Zimomi NPCC la consensus candidate thaise tai last assembly election de bi khilise holi jitana holi bi taila news ekta ai ase taike 6 year karne ban korina ase gose for a period of 6 year on the recommendation of NPCC disciplinary action committee DAC report and in exercise of power conferred under disciplinary rules of 6B of May 2024 has decided to expel Sri Akavi and Zimomi from the Congress membership for a period of 6 years with immediate effect. Reason to ki asi tabi hunana bal pora holi bi itu Congress committee kan pura meeting loigina meeting ekta loigina itu resolution to pass korna taike 6 year karne ban korise aru itu bishi viral ase social media khande alag channel khande bi apna saw paribo alo to naga channel dibi saw paribo holi reason ki ase itu bal pura jano na pare aro moi try kuri ase video bi anibole interview video ekta loigina aibole try koribo to apni han itu update to share korbi aur apni han bhal thakile channel subscribe korna bell icon bi dabai dibi koina janai dia ase second update